everyone, and welcome to the Phenomenal Phive. I thought I would give us a little walkthrough of the RV. It's actually kind of looking pretty good. Oh, that lighting is horrible. Sorry, I'm not used to doing it this way. I usually point the camera the other way. But we'll go ahead and start that walkthrough. Well, as you can see, I have her home. Been doing a little bit of work on her. Got a few issues that I need to work out. One is the black tanks are full, which was interesting. And now I had pre-purchased a hose, a sewage hose, and it happened to have two more. But as you can see, even the three do not reach to the to my clean out that I can use at my house. So we're going to have to figure something out. We're working on that. Also, in the back in the water compartment, I have a hose that is loose. That when I went and tried to fill up the fresh water tank, it leaks. There is an attachment. It's got to attach to somewhere. I just can't see it. I have a friend who is going to come over and take a look at that for me. He's younger and more flexible and can probably get up underneath there and find out where it connects to. I'm guessing it's supposed to connect to the water pump. But I can't find the water pump, and the diagrams that I have in the owner's manuals do not show where the water pump is. So we will be looking for that. But other little things, let's go on inside. And step number one that I learned, wait for the steps to extract before you start trying to climb up inside. I went and got a little whoopee blanket for Brutus to lay on because he's going to love that couch. So we're going to start up here in the front with our little tour. We do have a backup monitoring camera. It's fairly old, not real clear, but it's doable. I have a nice little visor here to come down. I wish I would have known that was there when I was driving back, because a couple of times I wish I had a visor. I didn't see it. But I also drove it for about 30, maybe 40 miles before I thought, hey, I've got cruise control. But one of the things that has become available that I didn't know about is my privacy curtains are not attached to here. Now it looks as if they used hot glue to try to attach it the last time. So I don't think I'm going to go that route, but I have a couple of options that I'm going to give it a try, and we'll see how they work out. But everything is here. I just have to remove this little clip. I can slide those out. But it's the same way on the passenger side. I guess I was so excited when I was looking at this that I did not take note of that. Now, I found this up in one of the shelves. I'm not exactly sure if I put it in the right place. Has a little suction cuppy thingy on there, so it'll attach to the window somehow. But right now it just fits right there. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. May not even keep it. I do have also two other side cameras. The one does work. It's not very clear. The other one is getting no signal. And since I do not know anything about these types of things, I'm going to need to do some research. They are not original to the model, so I'm going to go and look at the TFT color monitor system and see what we come up with. the one looks straight to the side. I don't know how useful that's going to be, but we'll find out. There's a radio here that I could not turn on, so I'm going to have to do research on that. So all this learning process going on. While at the dealership, I was not able to start the engine with the key, knowing that the RV had sat there on the lot for about a year. I just assumed dead battery. Go ahead. We started it with the auxiliary battery. No problems. Got to going. And so when I got home, I went to check the have the battery checked out, see if I needed to get it replaced, and it's in great shape and fully charged. Let me turn on some lights. I think I've got them all on single right now, but since I am plugged in, light bulb needs to be replaced. Yeah, gonna probably need to do a lot of those, but that's okay. And then I've got more lights everywhere and down the hallway. Yes, I went ahead and got my bedding, got it put on here. Sorry, no pillowcases on the pillows yet. I have not attempted to get her level yet. Working on that. There is a TV in the bedroom, which I didn't even see when I did my initial walkthrough and purchasing it, but that's cool. I don't watch a lot of TV, so having it back here in the bedroom is fine. Got little problems with the ceiling sections are coming loose. There does not appear to be any water damage or leakage. It's just that it's separated from behind the seal. So I'm going to do some research on ways to fix that. Minor issue. Oh, turn the lights on. I have light switches everywhere. Oh, that's the hallway. And there we go. One that has both lights working. Yay. It does have dual air conditioning, but they both cannot be ran at the same time. There's a little switch back under the bed to switch whether you want this as zone 1 or zone 2. Some of the things I've already purchased and brought out here, which is my cool little plate set. I got a set of four plates, 4 saucers, 4 bowls, 4 cups. And I got them because I think the color matches so well. Anyway, so I got those already out here. They're heavy duty plastic, so I don't have to worry about them breaking. We'll worry about see if I need to secure those more. And yes, it came with a coffee pot. I was a little concerned because this thing, but it rode fine on the way back. I left it kind of alone. One of the things that several people know is that I inherited a print from a friend of mine who passed away. Apparently at some point I said I liked it, and so he left it to me in his will, and I really did not want to give it up, so I measured. It will fit right there. Just barely. It just barely fits. But that mirror is on really solid. So I am going to have to find a way to either remove the mirror, or I'm thinking of getting 2 hanging hooks to go on each side of the mirror. Let the wire go to them, leave the mirror, we'll just cover it with the painting. But that would mean that the print, I know I called it a painting, but it's just a print, it's a numbered print, will have to come down during transit. Don't want to trust it saying. Now, let's talk about some of the remodeling plans that I have. This area right here okay, let's see if we can get this. Oops, not zoom in, zoom out. Sorry about that. But that area where that chair is, my plan is to remove the chair, have that area for the dog food, and the water bowl. Oops, sorry, my hand's getting in the way. I talk with my hands, sorry. And then have a table thing there, because I have to get the cat's food up off the floor or Brutus will eat it all. But this is there. I was going to try and move in here, but that was before I made my big Newbie mistake and left the refrigerator on and drained the battery, so I had no power. I'm now got all my adapters so I can hook up to the house. So I'm running off the 110 right now. This is 30 amp. I also am looking at maybe removing the couch. This is a maybe thing, and bring my recliners out here. Now, I'm not sure if that will work, but we're going to I'm going to look at that as an option. The couch is quite comfortable. I have not had it opened up for a bed yet, which also would be a nice thing, I guess, to have in case I have guests. But, you know, I don't like people, so I doubt that I'd ever have guests. But anyway, and now one of the things I'm hoping is that Brutus, when he rides in the car, he has to be in the back seat. I'm hoping I can get him to ride up here in this, and we'll see. I haven't brought the cats out yet. Brutus got a little excited. I was going to have him here for this videotaping, but like I said, he got way excited about being in here, and so I preferred to leave him out. Anyway, the next thing that will happen is the dinette is going to be removed. I never eat at a table. I always sit in my chair, and usually don't even use a TV tray, but you know, I have them, and I'm going to bring those along as well. But my work desk will go here, and it will also have room for one of the cat trees, so the cats will be able to get up and get in the window, because they love it. Brutus will most likely, because he likes to sit and look out the window as well. I'm hoping he likes to use the front here to look out, maybe out the back window, because you can see out the bed. I am going to be doing looking at an option from one of the people I follow on YouTube, Camper Van Kevin, who has got a shower pole that goes across this area with blackout curtains, and he swears by him about helping keep the heat out in the summer and the cold out in the winter. It keeps that all up here in this compartment, and you're able to keep the living area comfortable. So that is the quick walkthrough. I do have the water hooked up. I do not have it turned on at the moment, so we can't check the water. The RV was winterized. I did, because I did turn the water on shortly, and the water's all pink right now. So, and by the way, those lights do work. You have to turn them on up there. What else? I'm not sure. Now, there's an old carbon monoxide tester. I'm not sure if it works. I have purchased a new one to put there in its place. I'll figure out how to take it out. But then again, I have another alarm down here, and because I can't get down to read everything, I'm not sure if it's carbon monoxide, but being that low would make me think so. I did hit the test button. It does work. Quite annoying, so I'm not going to test it now. But we're going to go look, and this is like the largest closet, and I'm sorry I'm not there. They left me with an ice chest empty. I'm not sure exactly what this is. They drilled holes in it, but it's in solid. There looks like there was something on the back wall that's not here. Latches to hold it into place, and a little slot at the bottom and the sides. Don't know what that was. They left me a little jacket, which is, okay. This is some sort of a cover that looks like for the hot water heater. That is fine, so I don't know why a replacement, but I figure, hey, I will keep it. Because you never know. What else do we have? We've got plenty of storage down underneath. I cannot see the camera. I hope that's looking good. But everything else. And then we have the bathroom, and I have to stand here and hold the door because I'm really not level. We've got cabinets there and up here. There's an area down there. Store things. That little hose, that's for cleaning out the toilet. We've got storage underneath the sink. Oh, they left me some stuff. Cool. I've been finding things like that throughout as I go through things. We do have a fan up here to keep the moisture out. And that does remind me, I did forget to purchase my dehumidifiers. Which you'll keep in here to help keep the moisture out. And the ones I'm getting, you actually will plug them into a USB port and dry them out, and you can reuse them. So you have one running and one drying out, so they keep working out that way. Oh, I do remember this. They had a nice little air freshener thing here, but it's seen the end of its life. Well, I hope you guys really enjoyed this video. As you know, I'm very happy with this, and I'm anxious to get on the road. I'm just like, so I want to go now. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoy, and thank you for watching. Oh, wow, I realized I kind of ended that very abruptly. Sorry about that. I just wanted to also thank you all for watching. To please like, hit that subscribe button, notification bell so you get notified. Also make sure that you it defaults to just personal notifications, so change that so you get notified for every time I upload a new video. We are hoping to get out this weekend on a short trip. So as long as I can get that freshwater tank thing worked out, we'll be good to go. As you saw in the text, I ran the propane tank dry, so have to go and get that refilled, which that's not going to be difficult. There's a place in town that I can go to get that done. Again, thank you very much for watching, and I just noticed how Brutus has really destroyed the bed behind me. I'm sorry. But okay, you guys have a great one, and I will see you on the road.